15 best foods that unclog arteries and prevent heart attack naturally. Our arteries perform a vital function of supplying oxygen and nutrients to the body and are perfect in their job. But certain dietary habits can make them clogged with cholesterol, calcium, and cellular waste, a condition known as atherosclerosis, which increases the risk of heart attack or stroke and is responsible for 50% of the deaths in Western society. So what can you do to prevent clogged arteries? The solution is simple: eat healthily. To make things easy for you, we will share with you the 15 best foods that unclog arteries and prevent heart attack naturally. So keep watching to get to know about foods that unclog your arteries with science-based evidence. Number 1. Fish. The number one food you should start consuming to clean your arteries naturally is fish. They are rich in unsaturated fat called omega-3 fatty acids. Yes, you read it right. I am talking about consuming fat for heart health. Unsaturated fatty acids in recommended amount can actually benefit your body. It reduces the risk of clot formation, lowers the triglycerides level in the blood, and controls blood pressure. A study published in the Nutrition Journal shows that habitual fish consumption is associated with a lower risk of clogged arteries. Add fish like tuna, salmon, and cod to your diet to enjoy these heart-healthy benefits. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 2. Walnuts. Eating walnuts is one of the easiest ways to benefit your arteries. It requires no preparation time. You can easily munch on them any time of the day. They increase the elasticity of the arteries, protect them against short-term damage, and reduce cholesterol levels. According to a study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology, eating nuts like walnuts is inversely associated with coronary heart diseases and cardiovascular diseases. Eat 3 to 5 walnuts per day to strengthen your arteries. Number 3. Beans. Want an inexpensive way to protect your heart health? Start eating fiber-rich foods like beans. The high fiber content of beans keeps the cholesterol and triglycerides levels under control and prevents clogging of arteries. According to American Heart Association, consuming beans is an excellent way to get protein for coronary heart disease patients. It supplies you with enough protein and also reduces the level of cholesterol in the body. You can add beans to your soups, salads, or prepare bean dip to add them to your diet. Number 4. Green tea. We all know how great green tea is with its plentiful health benefits, but is it also good for your heart? A big yes. Research suggests that compounds in green tea can break the dangerous plaques found in the arteries. It also inhibits LDL, low-density lipoprotein, oxidation, and inflammation, thus preventing plaque formation. A study published in the journal Clinical Medical Insights Cardiology shows a lower rate of myocardial infarction in people consuming green tea. Drink green tea, but don't forget to give at least 1 hour gap between meals and tea to get maximum benefits of both. Number 5. Turmeric. Turmeric, a golden spice in your kitchen, can be your best friend in preventing clogged arteries. An anti-inflammatory compound called curcumin in turmeric helps you clean arteries. A study published in the International Journal of Clinical and Experimental Pathology shows the reduction in plaque formation in mice fed with a curcumin-based diet compared to other groups. Start adding a pinch of turmeric to your meals, smoothies, or enjoy soothing turmeric milk to clean your arteries naturally. Number 6. Cinnamon. Cinnamon, a common culinary spice, can do much more than providing flavor to meals. Due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, it protects the arteries, prevents clots formation, and also improves blood lipid levels. A study published in the journal Nutrients shows that cinnamon consumption can reduce the risk of atherosclerosis. A compound called cinnamaldehyde in cinnamon prevents the unnecessary clumping of platelets. Add a moderate amount, 1 to 4 grams, of cinnamon to your diet by adding in tea, smoothies, or sprinkle it on meals. Number 7. Citrus fruits. Apart from being super juicy and delicious, citrus fruits are full of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytochemicals. These nutrients prevent inflammation and oxidation of LDL cholesterol in the body. And why exactly is the oxidation of LDL cholesterol harmful for you? Well, in short, because it can cause clogged arteries, heart attack, or stroke. A study published in the Journal of Epidemiology shows that the high frequency of citrus fruit intake is associated with a lower prevalence of cardiovascular diseases. Number 8. Oats. Oats are one of the healthiest whole grain foods we have. Studies suggest that high fiber content in oats helps to reduce serum total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol levels, one of the prime factors behind plaque formation and cardiovascular diseases. The fiber content of the oats is not the only benefit it provides you. Recent research has found that polyphenols in oats, known as avenanthramides, AVNs, play a substantial role in preventing atherosclerosis. You can combine oats with your favorite fruits, nuts, or seeds to make it up to your taste and get these heart-healthy benefits. Number 9. Flaxseed. When talking about foods that unclog arteries, you cannot ignore these tiny, nutty-flavored seeds. Alpha-linolenic acid present in flaxseed and flaxseed oil helps to lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol. A study published in the American Journal of Physiology shows that dietary flaxseed can reduce the severity of atherosclerotic plaques and helps to unclog the arteries. Another study shows that secoisolericerecinol diglucoside, SDG, a phytoestrogen in flaxseed, can be used as an alternative medicine for the treatment of coronary artery diseases, stroke, and other vascular diseases. Number 10. Beets. Drinking beet juice can be really beneficial for people suffering from clogged arteries or any other cardiovascular disease. Its high vitamin B9, folate content reduces the damage to the blood vessels, and nitrates from beet convert into nitric oxide in the body, which dilates the blood vessels and lowers the blood pressure. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, dietary nitrate intake reduces the risk of death from atherosclerosis. Try adding them to your smoothies, salads, or baked goods to give your body a dose of healthy nutrients and get clean arteries. Number 11. Garlic. Garlic benefits your heart indirectly by reducing the lipid content in the arterial wall. Studies have also found the increased excretion of cholesterol and LDL becoming more resistant to oxidation after taking garlic. All of these factors contribute to lower the risk of clogged arteries and cardiovascular diseases. An easy way to add garlic to your diet is to put it in your stews, sauces, and salad dressing. If you are taking any anticoagulant medicine, ask your nutritionist before adding garlic to your diet. It can double the effect of an anticoagulant drug and can be harmful in some scenarios. Number 12. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are great in lowering cholesterol and blood pressure, thanks to the healthy fats and magnesium content. They are also high in antioxidants and vitamin E, all of which reduce plaque buildup in your arteries and automatically keeps your blood pressure in check. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Foods shows that a sesame oil-enriched diet could help prevent clogged arteries by controlling inflammation and lowering lipid levels. Number 13. Pomegranate. Pomegranate and its juice are one of the healthiest foods for your heart. It contains lots of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which protect the arteries from damage and prevent oxidation. A study published in the Rambam Maimonides Medical Journal states that potent antioxidants and unique polyphenols in pomegranate have an anti-atherogenic effect. They work by inhibiting oxidation, reducing blood pressure, and breaking the harmful oxidized lipids. All the above characteristics make pomegranate a healthy fruit for your heart. Enjoy it as it is, or prepare a red juice for yourself. Number 14. Kimchi. No doubt fermented foods do good to our body. Kimchi, a famous Korean fermented dish, comes with many health benefits. According to a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, kimchi has anti-atherosclerotic effects due to its antioxidative, anti-inflammatory, and lipid-lowering capabilities. Vegetables like cabbage, radish, green onion, ginger, and fermented seafood are present in it. The bacteria from the fermentation process are generally safe and beneficial, but can cause problems with people having a weak immune system. Number 15, cocoa and dark chocolate. Love chocolate? The good news is your heart loves the chocolate too. It makes the arteries flexible and prevents cells from sticking to the walls of arteries. Studies show that consuming dark chocolate decreases the clumping of platelets, dilates the arteries, improves vascular function, and reduces oxidative stress. These factors play a vital role in reducing the risk of heart diseases and bring chocolate to the list of foods that unclog arteries. But remember, all of these benefits are of dark chocolate, one with at least 70% cocoa beans. Clean arteries are necessary for a healthy heart and strong body, and our diet plays a vital role in keeping them unclogged. So eat right by adding these foods to your daily diet and enjoy a healthy life. Will you start eating these foods after watching this video? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!